In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email address associated with your Grammarly account. This is a useful task if you're updating your contact information, switching email providers, or simply want to streamline your communication channels. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your Grammarly account. This process will work both in the Grammarly web application as well as on the mobile app if you prefer using your phone or tablet. Once you're logged in, navigate over to your account or profile page. You might find this section labeled as Profile or Account Settings, depending on the version of Grammarly you are using, but it should be fairly straightforward to locate. This is the hub where you can review and update various aspects of your account settings, including your email address. Now, focus your attention on the current email address displayed in your profile settings. There's an option right next to it that says Update. You'll want to click on that. Doing so will initiate the process to change your email address. At this point, Grammarly might ask you to enter a verification code. They send this code to your current email address for security purposes, ensuring that you are indeed the person making these changes. So, hop into your email inbox and look for the message from Grammarly containing this code. Once you find it, come back and enter it promptly into the respective field. With your identity verified, you're ready to enter the new email address you wish to use. Carefully type in the new email address, making sure there are no typos, as you will be using it for future logins and to receive important communications from Grammarly. Once you have confirmed that the email address is correct, go ahead and click Update, or a similarly labeled button. The final step in this process is to confirm the email change. To do this, check your new email inbox. Grammarly will send a confirmation message to this new address. Inside that email, you'll find a confirmation link. Clicking this link is essential as it finalizes the email change in Grammarly's system. Until you complete this step, your new email won't be activated. And that's it. Your Grammarly account is now associated with your new email address. This simple update ensures you stay connected with all the writing tools and support Grammarly offers. Remember, you can revisit these steps anytime you need to update your email again. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.